Watch till end to see step-by-step making. Hello everyone, we begin with the heart of our process, crystal clear resin. Today we invite you behind the scenes of an exquisite creation, our premium resin vases with handcrafted designer stands. Every detail from the rich resin mixture to the final shining masterpiece is made with love, patience and craftsmanship that you wouldn't find anywhere else. Carefully measured and mixed with precision, resin is blended with high grade hardener to achieve the perfect consistency. The pre-drying stage is crucial where time and temperature combine to begin the curing process. After carefully pre-curing, the moment of truth arrives, demolding. With gentle precision, the resin is released from its mold. What emerges is a raw but breathtaking shape, waiting to be sculpted into its final form. Here we give it the bowl like elegance, shaping and refining elegance to resemble flowing petals, ruffled waves, and organic curve. It's not just a vase, it's art, molded by hand with perfection in every curve. The mold gives the piece its boundaries, but the artistry of flow defines its souls. No two pours are the same, no two pieces ever identical. Each creation is a one of a kind signature of both the material and the maker. Unrepeatable, eternal. As it begins to curve, time and temperature join hands with artistry. Together they create the silent transformation, resin becoming form, pigments becoming memory. Then comes the most anticipated moment, demolding. It is as if a hidden truth is being revealed. Magic behind real resin. And so we arrive at the final reveal. The luxurious resin vase, perfectly posed on its handcrafted stand, radiant charm and sophistication. Purely handcrafted stand, not just as an object, but as an experience, a timeless expression of craftsmanship and elegance. This is more than vase. This is more than resin. This is art that speaks. This is not just decor. This is your story told through resin artistry. This is your invitation to live surrounded by beauty. Let it elevate your festive gifting. Thank you for joining us on this journey from liquid resin to luxurious masterpiece. If you like this video, do comment and share. Only at Creative Castles, where art meets luxury.